Hi everyone, welcome you back to my YouTube channel Aloysius Papang. My dear friends, I am extremely sorry for not being able to bring you any updates through this channel during the last few days, as I am very busy here in New Delhi for receiving an international award from Kwab Foundation and Kalam Youth Club India in the International Youth Leadership category that was conferred to me yesterday, the 27th of July 2023 at International Youth Centre, New Delhi, in the presence of Shri Kopal Rai, Minister for Environment, Forests and Wildlife, Government of Delhi and many other dignitaries. They parlok be Padiang Somai Pisa Shisen Shanu YouTube channel Jonga Aloysius Papang but Kuble Shibon Yaka Jinkashan Kabaspon Kajompiu new channel Kabju Iman Same Yanga. But ngasnosi ban yato ipi parlok bang klemla ban updates ban leni ban manra ikinuk video lang ba jong new channel jonga hakini kikindiat sngi namar bang bonkam ban yo pdiang ya ke International Kalam Youth Leadership Award 8000 apulai hak nongba New Delhi but lengba uni video bang manra shapi tongin ya pet kindiat halor kane ka banta de. Please don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe to my YouTube channel just in case if you really like this channel. New video manda. Welcome to YouTube channel Aloysius Papang.
And outstanding work as an educator. Congratulations.
शिक्षक कलाम साहब जब अपनी भूमिका को देखते हैं तो शिक्षक की भूमिका सबसे पहले नजर आती है और कुछ ऐसी तस्वीर इस वक्त कलाम यूथ लीडरशिप कॉन्फ्रेंस के इस मंच पे को लेकर कलाम यूथ लीडरशिप अवार्ड से इन्हें इस मंच पे सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। अगला नाम जो है वो है पंजाब से
Geek और philanthropist
दृष्टिकोण से दिल्ली के संदर्भ में भी क्योंकि ये दिल्ली चैप्टर है, इसके बाद फिर न जाने अगले वर्ष कहाँ होंगे, लेकिन जहाँ भी होंगे इन तस्वीरों को जरूर याद करेंगे। ऐतिहासिक लम्हा हमेशा के लिए यादों में समेट सके। मैं चाहूँगा एक म्यूजिक प्ले करके क्लासिकल
Kalam Youth Leadership Award.
Yes, from
2023.
Meghalaya.
From Meghalaya, and congrats to you. And how do you feel? You got a very prestigious award for you.
So at the very outset, Mr. Bhupesh, I'm very happy to share this award with you because you are the recipient from Pradesh. And secondly, I would like to thank God for blessing me with this award. And then I thank my single mother, late mother Ebi Mary Papang, who is no more on earth, but her guidance, she up in such a way that to value life. So it is indeed and then happy to receive this award, Dr. Kalam, International Kalam Youth Leadership Award 2020. The reason why I'm very happy to receive this award in his name, as you all know, that Dr. late APJ Abdul Kalam has breathed his last in Shillong in 2015. So to receive this award in his death anniversary, it's really an honor for me. So I feel very good.
That's great, and to you. And
thank you, Bhupesh. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All these social activities,
yes,
and especially in Northeast, it's a great thing. You come from a long way and you are taking award. It's inspiring for many people.
Thank you so
and
much.
What's your what do you want to say to other youth people? What do you want to say?
As we all know that youths are the future of the country, the nation builders. So youths play a very, very important role in taking up India to the forefront, taking up India, developed country. So my message for the youth is that just give your best, because youth power is a very, very strong power. And then if you really make use of the strong power in the right way, I think India will really shine one day with youth power. So my advice is that never lose hope, just give your best, and just will come back to you for the sake of the nation's development.
Oh, that's great. And
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Start.
Kublai pi baro but nga don hang ni hapo International Youth Center New Delhi but mantaka sni ngala yo igni ka award International Kalam Youth Leadership Award 2023 mantaka sni kare ka sni bangi kenmau ya ka jingdap kastam to ka sni Dr. Kalam but kadrong ka burong ka bakraw na kamta ka jela mi khalian na mar ni don remote na po north east ki bayo but ngadi tangway bayo na po bi khaliai kani ka award di kanika award ng kong dedicate ikasya i May jonga ibamdon syo ang lista pati inday iblapan he nga hakta kanong rin bangan long ubriu uba ubomju surrender hakinu kinu kijing but kanika award kadai ro kom kanuksan kabanta kina samla sinrang bat kantay jong ka jela mi khali but tanggawe lang ba kanika award kwa ban aiman si mi pi ba pinshim ba jingim hi kari jingele but pimde bantu men sem da face ya kanu jingim wat nam ai jingduk dan kanu ka ba penduk men sem ya pi ba pin sakut haju andrei sim ya ka kum ka challenge but ngit skem lang ba jing trai sitong lang ba ka jing bom surrender jong pi jing pin long ki bajok ba ka wai kaski tikani ka award kadai na kabanta ki bahayeng hasem jonga kemen ki para kamtam na kabanta ki ilok ki khon bat na kabanta iwei ibai kinong shok stong jong ka jela bat na kabanta ka stong sangkung West Gentle Hills bat na kabanta ka district East West Gentle District Brockway the Great Shibon na kabanta ka ni